subject? English. Which subject? Yes, English. I mean that we will learn small letter Y. Which letter? Yes, small letter Y. Okay. Now Y for yo-yo, Y for yarn, Y for yak, and Y for yak. Okay. Now see here how to write small letter Y in notebook. Okay. See here, this is red line, this is blue line, this is blue line, and this is red line. Okay. Now we have to write small letter Y, this blue line to this red line. Okay. First of all, what we have to do? Yes. First of all, we have to make one slanting line like this. Okay. We have to make one slanting line in this two blue line. Okay. Now we have to make another slanting line from this blue line to this red line. See here. Yes, like this. Which letter is this? Yes, this is small letter Y. How to make small letter Y? Yes, first of all we have to make one slanting line in this two blue line, and then we have to make another slanting line from this blue line to this red line. Okay. It is easy to write small letter Y because we have to make two slanting lines only, and we have to write small letter Y from this blue line to this red line. Okay. Now once again, see here. Yes, this is called small letter Y. Y for yak. Okay. Slanting and then another slanting line like this. Okay. Which letter is this? Yes, this is small letter Y. Y for yo-yo. Now see here again. Yes, first of all we have to make one slanting line like this, and then we have to make another slanting line like this. Okay. This is called small letter Y. Y for yacht. Okay. Y for yarn. Y for yo-yo. Y for yak. Y for yacht. Okay. Once again, we have to make one slanting line, then another slanting line like this. Okay. This is called small letter Y. Okay. It is easy to write small letter Y. Okay. Because we have to make two slanting line only. Okay. We don't want to make any curve in this small letter Y. Okay. And we have to write this small letter from this blue line to this red line only. Okay. Once again, first we have to make one slanting line in this two blue line. Okay. We have to start from this blue line and we have to add to this blue line like this. Okay. Then yes, then we have to make another slanting line. We have to start from this blue line to this red line like this. Okay. Which letter is this? Yes, this is small letter Y. Y for yo-yo, Y for yarn, Y for yacht, Y for yak. Okay. Now I hope you understood how to write small letter Y in notebook. Now we will do one activity related to the alphabets. Now we will do one activity, and that is look at the picture and write the first letter. Yes, see here. Look at the picture and write the first letter. Okay. Now in this activity, what we have to do? Yes. First of all, we have to see which picture is this. Okay. We have to identify the picture, and then we have to write first letter of this picture. Okay. Now see here. What is this? Which picture is this? Yes, sun. Okay. And sun starts from which letter? Yes, S. And what is the spelling of sun? in this box. Why? Because we have to write the first letter of the picture. Okay? Picture का first letter हमें लिखना है. That is why we wrote here S. Okay? Now moving towards our next picture. What is this? Watch. What is this? Watch. Okay? And what is the spelling of watch? W-A-T-C-H. Watch. And watch, first letter of watch is yes. That is W. So which letter we have to write down here? W. W for watch. So here we have to write down W. Now, next, moving towards our next picture. What is this? This is tap. Okay? What is this? This is tap. And what is the spelling of tap? T-A-P, tap. Okay? And start from which letter? Yes, that is T. T for tap. So which letter we have to write down here? Yes, that is T. T for tap. Standing, sleeping, and then standing. Which letter is this? Yes, this is T, and T for tap. Now, next, which picture is this? Yes, Christmas tree. Okay, so Christmas tree starts from X. Okay, Xmas tree we are saying. So, which letter we have to write down here? Yes, that is X. Which letter? Yes, X. So here we have to write down X, slanting, and then another slanting line. Which letter is this? Yes, this is X. And X what? Xmas tree. Now which picture is this? See, which picture is this? Yes. U for umbrella. What is this? This is an umbrella. What is this? This is an umbrella. And umbrella starts from which letter? Yes, that is U. So which letter we have to write down here? Yes, U. U for umbrella. So here we have to write down letter U. Which letter is this? This is U. U for umbrella. Now, which picture is this? 1. Okay. What is this? This is 1. And well, start from which letter? V. Which letter? Yes, that is V. So here which letter we have to write down? V. V for violin. Okay. Now see here again. S for sun. W. W for watch. T for tap. Then X for Xmas tree. Then U for umbrella. And then V for violin. Okay. Now I hope you understand how to write small letter Y and this activity. What we have to do in this activity? Yes, we have to first of all find out which picture is this. We have to identify picture and then we have to write down first letter of that picture. Okay. Now I hope you understood this activities also. So you have to do practice of the same at your home. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself.